Hey guys, Lamonster here, Lamonster Garage, and we are going to show you another install video. This is on our 2020 RT. It will work on all years going forward, so real simple install. This is the same the lights that we've been using on the F3 and also the Riker. It's just a really good light. We're really happy with it. Super bright. Very adjustable. You can literally submerge these in water. And it will come with, these are your mounting brackets. Comes with the kit. Super easy mounting. Basically, I'll show you once I merge these videos here. But basically, it's going to mount right to your wind deflector there. Super easy, one bolt. Goes on the bracket, and like I say, it's adjustable in, out, sideways, so real easy. Comes with the plug and play, so when you pull your side panel off, which you're gonna need to do, oil changes, stuff like that, you just unplug it from the harness, and real simple deal. When you get your harness, it may look like a little bit crazy, but it's because the power draw, we have to go through a relay because a regular circuit won't quite take it. So this relay, it's real simple wiring. So I'm going to show you on the bike how this goes, but these wires here go directly to the battery. You got one here and one here. These are your plug and play for the fog lights itself. So they'll basically plug into this, boom, boom, like so. All watertight connections. And this is the lead that's actually going to be plug and play also, that will trigger the lights. So basically this triggers the relay, and I'll show you where that goes. And then the only other one is your on-off switch. So this is already pre-wired. You just want to route the wire up to your switch housing. You're going to pop the little cap that's in there now off, plug this one in. So I'll give you an idea what you're looking at here. We'll come over here. This is our prototype wiring. This is the first one that we built off of it. So basically, like I showed you, you're going to want to lay this harness up in here and just start routing your wires. So the first wire that you're probably going to route is this one here. And this is your battery. So basically that's going to tuck down in here. We pulled the fuse cover off. It's a little bit easier if you can have a little hook and you can kind of hook it. But basically you're going to try and get this wire down to here. How you do it is up to you. We use zip ties. You can use a long zip tie, you tape it to the wires, feed it through. But that's kind of up to you. Even the little claw deal works great for pulling, getting it where you want it. So this one, as you see it, it's going to go to the battery. On the other two wires, here's your switch. So this one is going to feed through here, and once again, you can use a zip tie or any kind of long, flexible either a claw or zip tie. You can tape it up, but basically you're going to run it all through here. And this one's got an extra wire. You're not going to use because it's a prototype one. But basically this is where your switch housing is going to go. And you might, before you plug it in, these wires really don't matter which way they go. Once you plug it in, just make sure if you want, for me, I like flipping it forward, saying, okay, my lights are on now. Back, they're off. But it's just a matter of which way you put those wires. You're just breaking a circuit. And then the other one that you're going to want to have here is this little guy right here. And this is coming off your wiring harness. And basically, ours is a little bit butchered up because we got other parts in here, but this is the wire. So if yours is a virgin bike, you're gonna have this wire here with that in, and it's plugged in right there. So you're gonna wanna unplug it. I'll go ahead and pull it out of here. You're just gonna wanna unplug it from there. So basically you'll see this one cable going to here. Unplug it from there, and then you're gonna wanna plug that into this here. Okay, so now you got power going to to switch the relay. And then if you want to add anything else, we give you another pigtail. So basically that gives you the same thing you started with. So now we've got power, keyed power, that's going to come over here. It's going to operate this relay on and off. Your main power is going all the way down to the battery, like we said. That's where the lights are going to get energized. And then you'll have your two ends here, and each one goes to the fog lights. So you're going to route this. I'll show you that on another video, but basically you're going to route that to the side panels. And once you get it where you like it, you can zip tie it like we typically would zip tie it right here, just because it's two nice holes to zip tie it. The relay, up to you. You can zip tie it somewhere so it's not bouncing around. It's even got a little hole. We give you a little screw if you want to screw it down somewhere, but that's pretty much it on the wiring. Real simple deal. It's a good idea to go ahead and run everything. Go ahead and plug the lights in and turn the key on. Make sure everything works as it should. It's a lot easier to try and fix something when it's all apart than if you got it all buttoned up. So that's it on this wiring part, and we'll go ahead and show you now how to take the panels off and put the lights on and all that. So that's it, guys.